Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, as you guys probably already know, I'm definitely still very bullish on this. I still believe this is going to continue to trend up. I still think it's going to probably make a nice five-way pattern to the upside, probably eventually take out these highs. I'm still thinking that one of these higher Fibonacci extensions is the most likely place for this to go, and I still think it's an expanding flat wave C. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, yeah, we definitely have been going down for several weeks now, but I still think this is a one. I still believe this is a two. Maybe the wave two is over, maybe not, but eventually I think we're going to go up and make a three, a four, and a wave five, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely do have a series of lower lows, lower highs. Now, it definitely does look more like a trend than a correction, but I think the reason behind that is because the euro was quite weak for the first few months of the year. We did go right down to the 61.8 fib retracement. We did take out the low wave 4. We did pretty much everything that a 1 and a 2 should do. And we now have a break of structure to the upside. So I definitely am looking for longs now, and we're going to learn and hopefully earn at the same time whether this turns into an uptrend like that, or whether it does end up making another correction and continue it back down. I think there's a chance that we might have the end of a wave two, and if that's the case, we should be now going up for a big old wave three. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, like I said, now we got that clear break of structure. I definitely am now becoming a buyer instead of a seller, which I have been looking for sells for several months now. So now I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for one, two, three waves down. I'm looking for a pulsive up to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on just the last little push up, the last little series of high, low, high, low, high lows. I'm looking for three waves down, which we already have three waves down, A, B, C. So if we get a nice Fibonacci bounce, if we get a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, I definitely am looking for longs now, like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So three waves down, Fibonacci bounce, ABC, impulsive up is exactly what I'm looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.